Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in your Porsche Panamera key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type, and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having a clean, well-lit workspace will make this process much easier and help prevent losing any small parts. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the mechanical key blade. This reveals a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should click into place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, it's a good idea to test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking your Porsche Panamera, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.